1 piece of ginger. I repeat, salt, ginger and chilies, onions, coriander leaves, some water, and little bit oil, and gram flour. We take gram flour and we put all these ingredients in them. Little salt, little water, little bit oil. To make a dough. More water again. To make a dough. It's ready. Then we have to make balls. We made balls. We're not going to fry, we are going to boil. It can be very healthy. Next, we are going to boil. We are going to boil in a steamer. Then, we are going to apply some oil in this pot. We put these balls into the steamer. We are going to steam for 10 or 50 minutes. We steam in medium flame. Our Bafauri is ready. Wow! Our Bafauri